consumer electronics have become an integral part of our lives, providing us with entertainment, convenience, and connectivity. However, these devices often come with a hefty price tag. So how can one save money when purchasing consumer electronics without compromising on quality? One effective method is to do thorough research before making a purchase. Compare prices across multiple retailers to ensure you are getting the best deal. Online shopping platforms and price comparison websites can be immensely helpful in this regard. Keep an eye out for discounts, promotions, or special offers that retailers might be running. Another way to save money is to consider buying refurbished or pre-owned electronics. Many reputable manufacturers and retailers sell refurbished products that have been thoroughly tested and certified to meet the original quality standards. These products often come at a significant discount compared to brand new ones without compromising on performance. Similarly, buying pre-owned devices from trusted sources can be a cost-effective alternative. Timing is crucial when it comes to saving money on consumer electronics. Look out for seasonal sales such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday, where retailers offer substantial discounts on a wide range of products. Additionally, manufacturers often release new models of electronic devices periodically. By waiting for the launch of a new model, you can grab the previous generation at a reduced price. However, ensure that the older model still meets your requirements. Consider purchasing extended warranties or insurance plans for your electronics. While this may seem counterintuitive as an additional expense, it can potentially save you money in the long run. These plans often cover repairs or replacements in case of accidental damage or breakdown beyond the manufacturer's warranty period, saving you from costly repair bills or having to purchase a new device altogether. When it comes to buying consumer electronics, it is essential to prioritize your needs and avoid falling for unnecessary features. Manufacturers often release models with enticing upgrades that may not be essential for your usage. By being clear about your requirements, you can avoid spending extra on features that you may never use. Furthermore, consider buying generic or store brand alternatives instead of opting for well-known brands. Many generic or lesser-known brands offer products with similar features and performance at a significantly lower price. Don't let the allure of a popular brand name dictate your purchase decisions. Instead, focus on the value and performance that the product offers. It is also worth exploring the option of buying directly from the manufacturer or authorized resellers. Manufacturers sometimes offer discounts or exclusive deals on their websites or authorized retail stores. Additionally, buying directly from the manufacturer can ensure that you are purchasing a genuine product with proper warranty coverage. Finally, make sure to take care of your consumer electronics to maximize their lifespan and avoid unnecessary expenses. Keep them clean, use protective cases or covers, and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance. Regularly update software and firmware to ensure optimal performance and security. By taking preventive measures, you can avoid costly repairs or premature replacements. Saving money on consumer electronics does not mean compromising on quality or features. By being proactive, conducting research, and considering alternative options, you can find great deals and make smart purchasing decisions. It's all about being an informed consumer and getting the best value for your hard-earned money.